Well, now here's my road dog today. Picking something else up. Facebook Marketplace getting me again. What's it gonna be today? None of that stuff, I don't think. What I'm looking at is probably gonna be over here in this pile, maybe. Maybe that pile. Yeah. But I'll just wait to show you. It'll be better that way. Right, Toby? Yeah, you excited? Alright. Where is it? Oh, is that it? Maybe not. Oh, I was like, I'm not getting a brush cutter, sir. Oh no. Well, I don't know if you've seen all that or not. Toby definitely saw it. He was freezing. But yeah. It's a set of attachments for the mini excavator. So looks like I'll be grappling and scraping and root ripping and post hole drilling. You better stand by for that kind of live action though. It's gonna take me a minute to get all that stuff hooked up. You're gonna wanna follow me now. You wanna see it? You're gonna have to follow me so you see it. Meow.